How to scan QR code in your Squad Buster here on online on your game. Squad Buster is a crossover of Supercell's other game featuring characters from the Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Brawl Star, Haiti, and Boom Beach. Players collect coin to purchase chest, and Squad Buster recently announced a community event where content creators will share a unique QR code giveaway. This is the code. You can simply scan it to claim your reward. You can scan the code and look for Square Trader giveaway on social media. You can scan the QR code only to receive prize once. That is 50,000 coins. The more time the QR will be favorite content creator scan, the coin will they will give you. Upon scanning the QR code, you can instantly get 50 baby traders, spooky trader skin, and 300 style tickets. This is how you can claim it. Baby Trader will give you 2 gems for every 15 coins connected. Similarly, the Spooky Trader skin has a purple design and dark theme. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.